Welcome to 3112 Windy Branch Drive in Stonehouse. This stunning 3,058 square foot home offers 4 bedrooms and 4 baths on a private, wood-lined lot. This unique American farmhouse is a custom William Poole design. In true farmhouse tradition, the home offers 2 front doors, 1 formal and 1 daily entry. Both entries are complete with covered porches. The welcoming, formal front porch is perfect for a porch swing and outdoor seating. The main entry speaks to the farmhouse design and details. Hickory hardwood floors flow through the main level along with the traditional wood details. The formal living room features the hickory floors and beautiful natural light. The spacious family room offers beautiful access to the screened porch for entertaining in and out. Sliding doors fill the room with natural light. The fireplace is framed with lovely built-in cabinetry. Relax outdoors throughout much of the year on the spacious screened porch. Running the length of the home, this room offers the opportunity for so many uses. With multiple entertaining zones, this is truly an outdoor room. Just steps down from the screened porch is the backyard patio with lovely views out to the wood-lined yard. The farmhouse-styled eat-in kitchen features a vaulted ceiling and access to the screened porch. This open, airy kitchen offers plenty of storage. The abundant countertops provide for plenty of workspace. The center island features storage and a prep sink while providing a visual anchor for the kitchen. The kitchen is filled with beautiful details to include granite countertops, a timeless tile backsplash, and a beautiful decorative hood. The home chef will appreciate the gas cooktop. The apron front sink continues the farmhouse styling. The kitchen and family room connection creates a daily living space that will definitely be the heart of the home. Just off the kitchen is the formal dining room. Hickory floors keep the room light and airy. Hickory wood flooring continues into the main floor owner's suite. This lovely room offers a direct vent corner fireplace and access to the screened porch. The ensuite bath is a spa-like experience including heated floors with controls and spacious double vanities. The bath offers luxurious finishes including a freestanding bathtub and a curbless tiled shower. The curbless shower offers easy entry, a built-in bench, grab bars, niches, and multiple shower heads.